Good morning, everybody. So, normally I at my dining room table to open up packages and talk to you guys, but for some reason the lighting was not working with me, so I actually had to kind of change positions. So you are looking at my living room slash yeah, I just have a lot going on here. But anywho, this is how my morning's been going. So I been reading this book, Never Eat Alone. I actually got this from my local library, guys, and it was due today. I had a lot to read, and I'm so glad that I was able to read it. So I get to bring this book back because it's currently on several holds. So the next person get a chance to read it. And in the midst of me finishing up the book, I also got a Farmasi package. Now, this is not just any Farmasi package. This is actually the biggest order I have done. Super exciting. So for me, guys, so in this box, it actually contains some of my personal stuff, but it's more so my inventory. So just to give you guys a background, I was in business for myself a long time ago, recently started back up. So I can tell you guys, I've learned a thing or two about starting a business, let alone dealing with inventory. And I could tell you what I have learned. What I have learned is you do what you can do. Meaning, prior to my first venture, I would just order inventory like crazy. And what was happening, I wasn't budgeting. So that's a recipe for disaster. And it was, but now that I'm older, I am wiser and more knowledgeable, I created a plan for myself to build my inventory along with having products for myself because, of course, with me being a pharmacy influencer, I have to be able to be the product of the product. That way I could share with you guys what I experienced. So this is what this box is. It's super heavy. So I'm going to get into it, guys, because I did not know they had boxes this big. I normally have like the other size boxes, but this is super big. And then two, I'm actually on a break. And also Xavier is sound asleep. So I figured this is the perfect time to unbox. And woo, it's a lot. Okay. So this is my makeup palette. Let's see. This is my raw cherry collection. I got the hand cream and the body wash, but of course there is a set that comes to it. So I'm gonna have to kind of work that out later. Let's see. This is my lip plumper. Well, I'm gonna just summarize it, y'all. This is just my makeup because I'm a makeup girl. Love makeup. And then two, what I love about me doing makeup now, I find that I always love makeup and I'm just back to doing what I love. But two, tea tree, y'all. Sorry, look, I'm just rambling. But two, I actually love the fact that I don't have to overdo it with makeup because for me, makeup is all about enhancing what you have. I don't ever believe in covering up a person's beauty. Everybody is beautiful in their own light. I just use makeup to enhance my beauty. And this is my makeup bag that I got for free with my order. I'll take it out for you guys. It is super cute. I'm actually going to put this in my purse, by the way. But it is nice. I love it. Let's see. I got some calendula soaps, which my husband uses. Okay, this is my age reverse serum. I'm actually going to be doing a review on the serum. Well, actually the whole age reverse line. So I got the serum and the moisturizer. I have the calendula face cream. I have the Hera perfume, which I think I'm saying it right, Hera. This smells good, y'all. It smells so good, I had to keep one in my inventory. I just had to. And I have the, oh Lord, the Bolari. This is the men's cologne. I would have been showed you guys the men's cologne, but what happened, the last time I gotten this, my husband, before I could even get it in video, on the video, he already snatched it up, started opening the bottle, and just going to town with it. And I'm like, sir, I would love for people to see it. But no, he just, yeah. So this is part of my inventory. I'm trying to keep it all nice and stacked, guys, but it ain't working too well for me today. Okay. Oh, my CC cream. So I did get a lighter shade in CC cream because I've noticed the other CC cream, and I'm not sure if it's because with me drinking the Aloe Glow, it lightened my complexion. So I had to go a shade lighter. So I'll test this out later on just to see how it looks. Okay, and I have some tablets for my immunity because this is flu season and I'm not trying to be caught slipping, getting sick. So I have the vitamin C and this. This is my electrolytes. I love my electrolytes. I have to have it. Okay, and okay, this is foundation. So same thing with the CC cream. I had to go a shade lighter. So I'll probably play around with this probably tomorrow. Not today, but tomorrow. Vitamin D3. I do take vitamin D3, but I wanted to switch on over to Farmasi just to give it a try. And I have the whitening toothpaste. I actually ordered 2 since I do have customers that are inquiring about it. And I also had a customer that purchased one of these. So I'm going to definitely keep this in stock. Right? And I have the Flaunted. Guys, I got to do I have to do a separate review on the Flaunted. I use the Flaunted. I actually use the cream. And there's also a scrub that goes with it. Oh my God. That's all I can say. I'm gonna elaborate more because I'm trying to keep this video short. Right? And we also have the chili cream. This is a massage gel, guys. Now, I'll tell you what, and I'm going to try to keep it PG. So, during that time of the month for us ladies, especially if you get that little back pain right here, you use this on here, perfect. Beautiful. And I'll also tell you about another product that pairs with it, but I'll save that for another video. Let's see, I think this is, yep, so this is the tea tree face cream and the face wash. This, all 3 goes together. So what happens with Farmasi, whenever we place an order, we actually get free products as an influencer. So this is one of my free products along with the makeup bag. That's one thing about it, honey. Farmasi take care of their influencers. Okay. All right. So another age reverse collection, guys. I'll tell you what. I can't wait to tell y'all about that collection. That collection is amazing. Balls. Amazing. All right. This is another Bulgari. And let's see. I think I'm getting down to the wire, guys. And this is the Delish. This is the coffee stick. So this, I mainly got this to, because I'm going to go ahead and start offering small kits of the NutriPlus line. So this is actually going to be one of the items I'm going to pair it with. So stay tuned for that. And also it is good for whenever I travel. Instead of carrying the bag, I can just have the sticks. Okay. And I also have the Serenity Tea, which I love the Serenity Tea, guys. I actually have it in lemon, but I also wanted to try the peach. And this is the Pure Rose Gel Cleanser. So I actually have the toner spray as well as the face cream. So now I have the whole collection now. Okay, we almost there, guys. This is the raw cherry. So this is actually the whole set right here. I think I got it. Yep, this is a whole set to where you get the lotion, hand cream, and the body wash, which it smells so good in the shower. So good. Okay, so this is what I was telling you about, guys. With the Flaunet, this is the scrub, and this is the cream that you would use. So I actually have this in my bathroom. I use it every day, but like I said, I'll do another video for that. And this is my lip pencil. So that's my makeup. My dry shampoo, which I got this for free as well. So just to show you guys, these are all the things that I've gotten for free from Farmasi for this order. And we got Aloe Glow. Aloe Glow, guys, if I had to pick any product from the NutriPlus line, this would be it. Oh my goodness, this Aloe Glow, this product here is what's responsible for my skin being so glowy. And also too, I noticed I've had less digestive issues when taking the Aloe Glow. So for me, you walk into my home, you're gonna see Aloe Glow sitting right on my counter. You're gonna see it in the fridge. You're gonna see Aloe Glow everywhere. Okay. And this is the Beauty Collagen Shots. So I do take collagen. I recommend, especially, well, I guess, I don't know if men can take it. I don't know. But for sure, women recommend collagen. Can't recommend it enough. So this collagen is actually going to be part of the kits that I will be putting together. So be on the lookout for that. All right, guys, we only got 2 more products. So we have the apple cider gummies. So I take this. Actually, these are apple cider gummies is something I've always taken, no matter what, religiously. And oh my God, it has a whole lot of benefits. I'll say that. And another favorite product, Radiant Mind. So for Radiant Mind, it literally has been responsible for my mood. I've just been on it. I cannot do without this Radiant Mind, y'all. And I actually gave Radiant Mind to a dear good friend of mine. And I tell you what, if you have a good girlfriend or just anybody that you care about, give them that Radiant Mind. They would definitely thank you. All right, guys, that is it. I'm finishing my unboxing. So I am going to save all this stuff up, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.